Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking to add more mushrooms to your diet? I was, and I have found this powder from Deal Supplement to be exactly what I wanted. It's a 12-ounce resealable bag, and the powder is a 10-in-1 blend. I love on the ingredient list that it says other ingredients, none. So you are only getting the mushrooms that you want in this blend. It's a fine powder, so it adds to my cold smoothie very easily. It mixes well, and I can't really discern a flavor. If anything, it's a very pleasant flavor that goes well with my chocolate protein smoothie. I also add it to hot beverages like my coffee. I do use my milk frother for a few seconds to just kind of blend the powder into the coffee. It blends easily, and I am very pleased overall with this product. And that is my point of view.